शिव का ध्वज लहराए, शिव का ध्वज देता पैगाम, सब में भर दो आत्मज्ञान। शिव का ध्वज देता पैगाम, सब में भर दो आत्मज्ञान। आत्मज्योति जगा कर सबकी हर एक दीप जगाए, शिव का ध्वज लहराए, सुख शांति वो बरसाए। अंबर से यूं फूल बरसे, वसुंधरा राम सजाए, शिव का ध्वज लहराए। शिव पिता धरा पर आया, शिव पिता धरा पर आया, नया विश्व परिवार बनाया, नया विश्व परिवार बनाया, नया विश्व परिवार बनाया, नया विश्व परिवार बनाया। उदास हो गए कीर्ति संभलते, कदम रुक गए चलते चलते, चलते चलते, कदम रुक गए चलते चलते। उदास हो गए मेरी प्रार्थना, हे शिव पिता परमात्मा, करते हैं तेरी ज्ञान का सूरज है तुम सारे जगत।
Om Shanti. Happy Shiv Jayanti to everyone. Dipti Ben, Avtar Bhai, Suman Ben, Silveran Ben, and any other senior teacher, they are requested to come to on the stage side. You can come here. और सत्ती भाई भी जहाँ वो भी आगे आ जाए. Okay, welcome. They are doing welcome to Shashi Ben also. Give a big. आनंद भाई आओ. आनंद भाई आप इधर आगे आ जाओ. सत्ती भाई, आनंद भाई बैठो. किरीट भाई आ जाओ. किरीट भाई आगे आ जाओ. जमुना प्रसाद भाई आगे आओ ना. जमुना प्रसाद भाई आगे आओ. जमुना प्रसाद भाई. वर्षा बहन आओ. वर्षा बहन आ रही है म्यूजियम से. आप सबको बताएं कि आज टुडे 3 places there is flag hosting ceremony. We came to know that there is a flag hosting ceremony in Shiv Mani complex Shantivan, as well as at 11 o'clock flag hosting ceremony in Tapovan near Shantivan. So that is why some dadis are there, some senior sisters are there, some senior brothers are there. Now all our Baba's children are, that is called Peace Park, and we enjoy here, we play here. We used to play with dadis, dadis used to come, we used to play with dadis, and we used to have picnics here. So today is the day we are getting the same memories which we used to do it here. And today's flag hosting ceremony, we have done flag hosting ceremony and dance करने वाले. Yeah, you can see he has come from a different land, brother from moon, brother from sky, but he cannot come from the sun.
भाई
People give a big hand to this person who has come all the way from the sky and he has traveled different places. Very beautiful. Give a big hand to this person. We don't know from where he has come, either from the sky side, either she or he, we don't know. And you can see, and he has come from the land of.
Swami
सी मुझे प्रेम की छाँव में, कोई नहीं तुम सा तीनों लोकों में, दशों दिशाओं में। महलों से ज्यादा सुख है कैलाश की खुली हवा में। तुम हो जहाँ बहार होती है, शंकरनाथ जी।
बहुत सुंदर, जोर से ताली बजाएंगे। इस छोटी सी बालिका ने बहुत सुंदर डांस प्रस्तुत किया। आज शिव जयंती का दिन है, तांडव नृत्य ना हो तो थोड़ा
So congratulations to Sevadari, congratulations to all Madhuban Gyan Sarovar, those present here, and also from Shantivan. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Oh, Shanti.
बहुत सुंदर। आज के शुभ अवसर पर विशेष पीस पार्क निवासी, खास करके किशोर भाई, वासंती बहन, बैजुल भाई और पीस पार्क में जो हमारे 40 भाई सेवा पर तत्पर रहते हैं, उनके लिए विशेष सेवाओं के निमित्त हम सब जोर से ताली बजा करके करेंगे। स्पेशली वी welcome all the brothers and sisters from Peace Park, and especially Kishore Bhai, Vasanti Ban, Bajul, who are the main instrument for developing such a beautiful Peace Park, and a group of 40 brothers who are working whole day in this Peace Park. We congratulate them, we welcome them, and we appreciate their services day and night. They are always on Baba's service. Bajul is here, Kishore Bhai and Vasanti Ben are at the home, and they are seeing the whole beautiful scene, whatever is going on here in Peace Park. They are watching everything. They are with us, and this whole family is the main instrument, because when this land was bought, at that time Dadi looked at this family, especially Kishore Bhai and Vasanti Bhai, and Bajul was a little girl, I think 5 years old, 5 years old. And when Dadi looked at that family, and Dadi said, this family will take responsibility for this land to develop a beautiful peace park. And they did by heart, and they accepted the Dadi's wish, and they fulfilled Baba and Dadi's wish, and all the Dadis used to come here and enjoy and have picnics over there. And today we are seeing how beautiful is this. There are more than 150 variety of rose flowers and different kinds of flowers. There is a meditation room, there is a leisure room, as well as during summer season sometime they organize bhattis for dedicated brothers. They also come here and attend bhattis also there. Now Bajal Bhai is here, he will say few words.
Om Shanti. First of all, I would like to thank all our seniors who have come over here. Sashi Benji, Shiru Didi, Sudesh Didi, Dipti Benji, Suman Benji, Varsha Benji, Avtar Bhaiji, Karnal Sati, Varsha Benji, and all the others, and everyone over here, the whole international BK family, Baba's sweet children, and we cannot forget Shiv Baba, our most beloved Brahma Baba, Bap Dada. So on his birthday, so as well as our birthday, so very, very happy birthday to all of you. And I would like everybody to stand up and give a standing ovation to Sudesh Didiji, Shiluben, Sashiben. They have dedicated their life glorifying Baba to the world. So many thank you to these divine sisters. I at a very tender age have get a lot of sustenance, lot of palna from these didis. So I'm very grateful to them. They have given us a lot of support, lot of spiritual guidance, and they'll be extending forward. So I really thank them. They are at present on stage. We miss our daddies. Daddies have always come over here. They have always given us blessings. They've guided us from time to time. We miss them as well. So all the daddies, they are also here in the Sukshma Roop, a subtle form. So all our divine brothers, dadas, daddies, we remember all of them today. And I extend our great, reverence, great respect to our daddies and dadas who are not with us. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So I am sure you had a good time here. Everybody who has not had a good time, those who had not had a good time, all had a good time. So thank you for coming, and I wish you. Daddy always used to say, "Go soon and come soon," right? So I will wish you a happy Shiv Jayanti, and I wish to see you once again next year. Yes, here at Peace Park. Thank you so much, Sashibanji. Thank you all. Thank you from Kishore Bhai and Vasanti when they are not here at the moment. Dad is not feeling well, so mother is looking after them. So from them side and all of our Peace Park team who has helped us here, I extend my heartiest greetings to them and thanks to them. And thanks to you all for coming over here and celebrating and enjoying, rejoicing this festival of Shivratri. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Shilabhai.
Kishore Bhai and Vasanti Ben are with us in subtle form, though they are at home, but they are with us. And you see, one hat has been given on the head of Bajal Bhai. So he has so many hats on his head because he is taking care of this Peace Park as well as he is taking care of father and his utilities. He is caring with love and doing with great love. So congratulations to Bajal Bhai. Now there will be cake cutting ceremony.
शुभ घड़िया है आई जन्मदिन की सबको बधाई
आई शुभ घड़िया है आई जन्मदिन की सबको बधाई
Everyone is getting cake.